Assalamu alaikum. Let's start the first part of today about vocabulary. It's for C, page 53, and you have here complete the sentences with the words in the box. And you have here the word impression, instructions, ideal, filled, blocking, circle, main, possible. And we have here from 1 to 8. Let's start Rakan Al-Amri. Let's start the first one. Rakan, hurry up. Rakan Al-Amri. Okay, Rayyan Al-Garni, if you want ready. The
Is
first
it
one.
possible to see the inside of the purse?
So the first one, is it possible? Is it possible to see inside of the palace? Thank you. Mr. Rayyan Al-Garni, do you hear me, Rayyan? So Rayyan, come. Mr. Noor, start reading from the book, from the look.
From the look on hat
Here, face.
here face the best
Who can answer the impression, okay? The impression that she didn't like the food. Thank you. Another one, number 3. Abdulaziz, you can read this. Hotel is. Azuz,
Hello.
read the first one, number 3.
This hotel is.
Yes, is ideal. You have the word ideal.
Ideal for
Families.
Families where
Young children. Excellent.
Young children.
Thank you. So this hotel is ideal for families with young children. Mr. Amri, number 4. You read number 5. I say number 4. We have number 4 here. Number 4. Okay. The morning sun fill the room with the light. Fill the room with the light. Mr. Amri, number 5. Go on, Rakan Al-Amri.
Okay. Follow the instructions on the box carefully.
Again, Mr. Rakan.
Follow the instructions on the box carefully.
You are number 5, Mr. Rakan. Yes, number 6 is follow the instruction on the box carefully, but start reading number 5.
Okay. Number 5.
Yes.
One of the main reasons he didn't go to the university is that he didn't have enough money.
Thank you. One of the what, Rakan? The answer is one of the
main.
One of the main reasons he didn't go to university is that he didn't have enough money. Thank you. And you said number 6, follow the instructions on the box carefully. We have number 7. Okay, Mr. Abdulaziz Al-Atabi, read number 7, please. Number 7, he.
He
drew a circle.
A circle on the box.
On a piece of paper. Paper, and then made a face on it. Thank you, Azuz. We have the last one. Mr. Noor, can read the last one? I cannot.
I can see where he over there. Because there is
tree blocking my view. Thank you. Because there is a tree blocking my view. Down here, we have here grammar. It talks about zero conditional, and zero conditional, that you start with the word F, as you see here. And this means that you are talking about fact. Fact. For example, Mr. Noor, if I add 2 and 2, 2 and 2, the answer will be 4. Yes or no? If I add
yes.
2 and 2 will be 4.
Will be 4.
Can it be 5 or 6?
No, 4.
No, it's 4. So it's a fact. It's a fact. So if I want to talk about fact, I use zero conditional. For example, here, Mr. Amri, if I add here yellow and red, like this here, if you see here, if you add here yellow and red, I will get orange. If I add, for example, yellow and red, yellow and blue, I get green. If I add red and blue, I get purple. And this means if you add something and it's a fact for this thing to happen, this means it's a fact. So I use here zero conditional. And zero conditional means use at the first part the present simple, like eat, play, study, and at the second one also the same with present simple. No change. The first sentence, verb like eat or play, and the second one, verb also, like eat or play or study without anything more. I can't put will, no ing, no ed, it's just only the verb in verb 1. I say, for example, if you eat a lot, like this here, if you eat a lot, you'll get fat, you'll get fat. This means it's fact. Mark, this means it's something that sure will happen, it's a fact. So we have here, you start with the first sentence in present simple, and also the second sentence also is present simple. Here, we have here some sentences. We can start with sentence number 1 and the answer. Here, prepare yourself. Rayan Al-Amri, prepare yourself. Noor, Rayan, all of you. When the class is noisy, if I don't have breakfast, I relax. When babies are hungry, coffee changes color, and we have here the answer. Yes, I have here the answers. I'm hungry at all. They cry if you put milk in it. The teacher stops talking when I read books. So who can start number 1?
Me, D.
Go on, Mr. Noor.
D.
Read first. Read first. In the class
Noisy.
is noisy.
Noisy. The teacher stop
talking. Thank you.
talking.
So the teacher stops talking. Number 2, if I don't have breakfast, who can answer? If I don't have breakfast, who can answer? With which one? A, B, C, E, which one? Who can start here? Rayan Al-Garni, do you know me, Mr. Rayan? Mr. Noor.
Stop.
What is the answer? It's
A.
A. I'm hungry all day. Thank you. Rayan Al-Garni. Rakan, prepare yourself. Noor, can you read number 3?
Relax.
I relax. I
Relax.
What is the answer, Mr. Noor? B or C or E? Which one?
E.
E? Yes.
E.
I relax when I read books. Thank you. Number 4, when babies are hungry, and the word when here is like the word F, they are the same. When babies are hungry,
B.
what's the answer? Who can read?
B.
They cry. Except number B. They cry. The last one, Rakan Al-Amri, read the last one, number 5.
Okay. Coffee changes color if you put milk in it.
If you put milk in it. Thank you. If you put milk in it. Mr. Rakan, Mr. Rakan.
Yes.
Now, what color do you get if you mix? Look here. If you mix red and blue, the down one here.
Purple.
This here we say purple. Mr. Noor, what color do you get if you mix yellow and red? This one.
Orange.
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 Yes. Each one follow us. Hurry up with me. What happened, all of you, if we mix yellow and blue? We have
Orange. Orange.
the first one, yellow and blue. We have green. The last
Green.
one, what will happen if we mix three colors, blue, red, and yellow? We get
Brown.
brown. Thank you. We get brown. So here, to this part here, this talks about factor habit, and this means to use if conditional sentence with present simple. And if you finish the first sentence would be present simple, and the second sentence is also present simple. Like if you study, you get high mark. If you attend the Zoom with Mr. Ahmed, you get high mark, inshallah. This is the part of tomorrow, inshallah, school hours, and this will take next time, inshallah. And thank you today